Welcome to the Site Builder, the website creation software that combines simplicity and ease of use with an unparalleled feature set. Whether you're creating a lead generation or an e-commerce site, simply logging into the builder gives you the foundation of a world-class website. The magic is in the tools. With the Site Builder, you have tools to design a top-notch website, tools to track and manage your products, tools to attract and communicate with your customers, and tools to monitor your site and business. To help you navigate through the Site Builder, we created a user guide that will walk you step by step through the process of building your website. Following the instructions and links within the user guide will take you to the pages you need to work on in the Site Builder and to the videos that will show you exactly what you have to do on those pages. When you're not using the user guide, you can free up space by clicking on the guide post icon. You can also free up space by clicking on the left arrow and collapsing the left navigation. Once you're ready to start building your website, you begin in edit mode on the design page. Here you can click on the Design Options button and customize your site design and layout with any one of our pre-built themes. Once you have picked your theme, you can modify the colors your theme draws from in its color palette, and the fonts your theme uses to display headings, text, and links to dial in your site to look just the way you want. When you make a change to your site in the Site Builder, you see that change immediately. You can also click on the Preview button to see just how great your site looks in a separate browser. Of course, you don't have to be in a preview window to see your website in action. By clicking the Browse Mode button, you can navigate through your website and see everything your visitors will see without ever leaving the builder. Clicking back on the Edit Mode button, it is time to customize your site. Click on the Plus button, and you can add pages, text boxes, headings, and a host of powerful elements. Add content-based elements like blocks of custom code, images, and testimonials. Add product-based elements like shopping carts, coupons, and wish lists. Add navigation-based elements like links to your most important content, search fields, and sitemaps. Add customer-based elements like email a friend forms, login fields, and unsubscribe functionality. Once you have added your elements, you can start typing right on your page so you can make sure your site is saying all the right things to your visitors and search engines alike. Now that you have optimized the text on your page, click on the Move Mode button and you can drag your elements back and forth to ensure your page looks just the way you want it to. Naturally, it's just as easy to edit or remove an element as it is to add one. Once you have selected an element, you can edit it by clicking the Edit Element button in the upper right corner, or you can delete it by clicking the Delete Element button. For those elements you want to appear on every page, you can click the Change Layer button and select your default background. Whatever elements you decide to add to this layer will automatically show up on every page. Say goodbye to updating each page on your website by hand. Now there's a much easier way. In the Site Builder, you have complete control over the pages, forms, and products that appear on your site. For instance, to add a product to your site, all you have to do is click on the Products link and add your product. Here's where the Site Builder interface gives you incredible flexibility and protection. Whenever you see a page with a list of products, web pages, or elements, you know you have multiple touch points where you can interact with your items. In this case, you can add a product by clicking the plus button in the lower left corner, clicking the gear button in the lower right corner, or by right-clicking anywhere on the products list and selecting Add Product. You can also modify or delete an existing product by double-clicking on the product, clicking on it and then clicking on the gear button, or by right-clicking on the product and selecting Edit Product or Delete Product. When you decide to add or edit a product, remember you have full control over how your products display, the sale prices you offer, and the images your customers see. In fact, adding an image is no more difficult than dragging and dropping the image you want to use from a folder on your computer to the Click or Drop Image Here box on your product page. Once you have made the necessary additions or changes, you can easily save your work by clicking on the Back button in the upper left corner. If you work at this long enough, you may find you have more products, pages, or customers than you think you can keep track of. Not to worry, the Site Builder has you covered. If you want to find a specific product, web page, customer, you name it, all you have to do is type a keyword or two into the search bar at the top of the window, and the site builder will return a list of results. One click on any one of these results, and the site builder will take you to the page you are looking for. Finally, you can find a lot of tools and information for your site by clicking the More links under each of the main headings in the left navigation. For instance, as you design your site, you need to keep in mind all of the people who will be visiting your site from a mobile device. We give you the tools on the More page under the Site heading to make your site accessible to anyone with an iPhone, iPad, or Android-based device. We also give you the tools on the Price Sets page under the Products heading to determine how your customers will pay for and receive your products or services by setting up your payment methods, ordering rules, and shipping methods. Whether you're accepting credit cards or PayPal, offering discounts or collecting state taxes, or shipping your products by land or by air, you have complete control over your ordering processes. Whether you are selling products or generating leads on your site, you need to keep track of and communicate with your customers and clients. The Site Builder gives you the resources to track both your customers and their orders. It also gives you the tools to communicate seamlessly with your customers using a series of autoresponders that reach out to your customers even when you are busy with other things. However, those visitors who actually buy your products or fill out your forms aren't the only ones you should be keeping track of. You also need to know who is coming to your site and not buying and not filling out your forms. With the Site Builder Statistics package, you can see how many people visited your site, where they clicked, and where they lost interest, so you can make the necessary changes to attract and convert more customers. You can even integrate Google Analytics with your site. So there you have it, the Site Builder Basics. If you need help at any point along the way, click on the Options menu where you can access the help files, watch this Getting Started video again, and navigate through your licenses. The help files are a robust resource full of useful videos and information that will show you what you need to do on each page and in every field on the Site Builder. From whatever page you are on, clicking the Help link will take you directly to the help files for that page. Feel free to use this service liberally. Once again, welcome to the Site Builder. Let's get started.